In this video I will show you how to make this square out of 216 magnets. First I will break it apart and make one line. It takes a little while because magnets are pain in the ass. They stick together whenever you don't want it to. Okay, now I have one big line of the 216 magnets. Now I will make a string with 36 magnets. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 13, 30, 33, 36. Now I have the first part here is 36 and I will bend it together and make another line with 36 only by connecting them together. Now I have two lines of 36 magnets and I will make the first line the same way. 3 lines. Fourth line. Just make sure that the magnets are just not between each other but next to each other. Now the 36 lines of 36 magnets look like this. Now I will bend them over and connect the 6 magnets. I will count to 6 and bend it over, and then I'll connect it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And what's important here is that it's not the first one. It's the next one I need to connect correctly. Yeah, looks like that. Exactly on top of each other. I will bend the magnets over. I take the other part and do the same thing from here. Bend, and I'll make sure that the second is correct. Oops. Again. Now I only have one layer left. And that almost got wrong. Okay, it's okay. So now I have 216 magnets connected in a 6 by 6 by 6 nice cube. Thank you for watching. Bye.